With 4 days before the election, candidates aren't the only ones feeling the pressure.
Voters are dealing with it too, and that pressure can be harmful to your well-being. 2822 Eyewitness News reporter Mark Hiller explains.
Whether it's on your computer or TV, or even on your phone, there's no escaping those political ads. It's difficult to dodge the text, too. Not to mention all that political mail. It's all feeding into plenty of election anxiety. A survey commissioned by the American Psychological Association finds 2/3 of American adults consider the election a significant source of stress.
I'm not surprised at all.
Stan Spolowicz says the midterm election adds to what's been an especially stressed out society since the start of the pandemic.
Well, you've got so many major issues. You've got inflation, for one, that's got to impact most of the people.
Others blame the anxiety on political divisiveness.
I don't believe so many people should be feeling as stressed. It should be a time where we're coming together and discussing things and working on problems so people aren't feeling as stressed.
What should we do if we find ourselves feeling those feelings?
I am so glad that you asked that question.
Psychiatrist Debra Akisson says the first thing to do is acknowledge the election is bothering you.
And if I find myself ruminating about the elections, that's a sign that I need to pull myself off of my media feed.
Another way you may consider coping with election stress is by drinking. No, not that way. This way, Dr. Akisson says staying hydrated can certainly help. She also says it's an active way to mindfully take care of yourself. Another way, intentional breathing.
You take literally up to 5 minutes or even less, where you take in a breath and hold it, then you release the breath equally and hold it.
Exercise helps too. And if that doesn't work, do you ever feel like you just need to click the remote and shut off the TV?
I do.
That's bad in my line of business.
Well.
From your local election headquarters, Mark Hiller, 2822 Eyewitness News.
The American Psychological Association says if you feel anxious because some outcomes are not known election night, just try to keep busy with things that you enjoy.
Yeah, also stay connected to social support so that you're not checking on what you may perceive as bad news.